The Meghalaya government's recent amendment extending the lease period for land from 30 to 60 years has sparked strong opposition from the Khasi Students' Union, calling for the amendment's revocation. They argue that the change violates the Land Transfer Act and bypasses the Khasi and the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Councils. KSU General Secretary Donald Thaba expressed concern over the lack of consultation with the district councils, emphasizing the violation of the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution, which guarantees autonomy over land matters.
Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act 2024 Warnaga Meghalaya Land Transfer Act, Alam Pembantu Pembantuan Bor, Berdayut ya ke Meghalaya Land Transfer Act. Kini kenbu ya kecenderung depan kejungi di kasih kejungi apa kejemah nomor bar ada ke ILD kelak pentit jaga kelak pentit di ekder kelak pentit di hajar ekder kan high international investors menu kita investors atau kini kita jelah lagi bila penderu kibar jelah. Katakan dia meningkau kalau dikibat kita kamu sibuk di tribal lands dijaga juga dulu insya ini long try dan ibu ibu kerja sendiri dan ini tadi kompetisi behel di behel